So Dior is a brand that if you ask 20 years old or 25 years old me, would I shop at Dior? I would be like, no way. But if you ask me now, do I love Dior? Absolutely. So what changed? What happened? Let's unbox this together and let's check. So if you ask 20 years old me, what was my perception towards a person that would own a Dior bag? I would say someone that is sophisticated, graceful, classy, very demure, and I'm none of those things. The Lady Dior bag was named after Princess Diana. And look at how graceful and sophisticated she was. And look at me. I can see myself carrying a Gucci bag, a Prada bag, a Bottega, because like I'm more of a tomboy. I am loud, very loud in person. I am quirky. I felt that I am of a different tribe. I just don't fit into that sophisticated, classy tribe. For example, if you want to put a Dior bag, let's say a Lady Dior bag, onto a Disney princess, it would be Cinderella, fine. Rapunzel and Bella from Beauty and the Beast, yes, classy, girly, sophisticated, elegant, absolutely. If you put Lady Dior on a Mulan, hey, come on man, it doesn't work. So that's why I couldn't relate to Lady Dior or Dior the brand back in my 20s. And as I entered my 30s, I started to realize some changes in Dior when it comes to their brand image. For example, I started to notice that a Dior girl could be sporty, could be tomboy, could be a bit more like me. I could started to relate to the brand, and then they started to bring back the saddle bag, and it was all over social media and different influencers were promoting it. And I was like, okay, this is a thing. Started to see some diversity and some different demographic and different type of girls promoting and using the bags. So that started to plant a seed that, okay, maybe Dior is a brand that I can relate to after all. So what really caught my mind when it comes to really wanting to consider buying my first Dior bag was actually the boat tote. And I felt that, oh, actually this shape is quite masculine, but at the same time it's a good blend of like masculinity with femininity. The most surprising things that I actually wanted was the micro Lady Dior, like the smallest one in different colors. Lady Dior, who am I? What's happening to me? I don't know why in my 20s I thought Lady Dior was the most feminine bag that I've ever seen. And then now I just thought that it's just fun and cool, but it's all sold out. So let's unbox this. This is from the Dior Cruise 2022 collection. What really caught my attention was because the collection was inspired by the Greek goddesses. Models were dressed in like really flowy, beautiful maxi dresses. And most interesting part is they were pairing the dresses with sneakers and very interesting bags. Let me show you what this is. So, say hello to the new Vibe Bag. It's such a vibe. So like I said, the models were wearing like nice flowy dresses and then holding this sort of bag and pairing with sneakers. How badass is that? I just felt that I could relate to that. I could totally relate to that. I can be dressy, but still maintain my personality, and that's what I love about it. This is such good details. And look at this. How cool is that? So this could be like a really nice gym bag, shopping bag, and waterproof. Perfect for someone like me. So yeah. So this one is Retail $6,900 New Zealand dollars. I'm not sure what you think. I'm loving it. Let's see what it fits. Look how crazy this is. Like, this has like front pocket and I still haven't put anything. The back, nothing is distorted yet. And then look how much I fit. Water bottle, full size. My sunglasses. A DSLR camera. A spare lens. Mask. Hand sanitizer. Sunblock. Wallet. Amazing, isn't it? So much space. And there's like so many pockets as well. There's one here, one right here. That was pretty impressive, isn't it? The amount of things this bag fits. So the next thing I want to do is to run this past a versatility test and see how many outfits can we style with this bag. So let's go. So yeah, I can totally just go out like this. Like whether to a photography job or just shopping, because it fits a lot and it is waterproof, and I'm just impressed. Choice of shoes, which one do you think? Like, do I go for the Dior sneakers or do I just flick black boots? I think let's go with the sneakers. Give me that full Dior look. Ta-da! Look number one, sorted. For look number two, I really want to try this with a gym gear and see how it looks, like the sport luxe kind of vibe. So, be right back. This one or this one? Which one do you like? I'll try this. So just after a workout, so just a little oversized blazer from the husband to cover up a little bit. Yeah, so that works. Oh, this will want to make me go to gym more often now. So yeah, that's look number two. So works well with gym gear, no problem. Carry heaps, awesome. So let's try a slightly more dressy look, shall we? So this is from Jonathan Simkai, and I hope it works. Without the straps, I think. Pair up, a pop of color maybe. This is from Balenciaga. So yeah, this is look number three. What do you think? Does it work? Let's try it with a winter look and see if that works too. So let's do this a more girly look, shall we? So let's say if I'm going out for dinner, coat, shoes. Sophia Webster. Oh yes, it totally works. Do we need a belt? Something with this such a hole. Ta-da! That works. Oh, I love the bag even more now, knowing how versatile it is. I just thought that it could do casual. I'm not sure whether it could do dressy, but look, it's not bad, eh? So for those who want to know more about this collection, for example, what other colorways do they have, what other styles of bags do they have, or their pricings, I will put a link in my description box, and hopefully that's helpful for you. That's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section which outfit do you like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that whenever there's a new video coming up, you'll get notified. Have a lovely day, and I hope to see you on the next video. Ciao!